So today we're in Miami, a little further south, and this is a new construction built in 2023, about a year and a half old, and the owners are relocating, so they're selling. It's a wonderful home, lots of upgrades. The lawn is upgraded, gutters, floors, beautiful, amazing floors. They have it very well furnished. It's a 2-story, 4 bedrooms on top, 2 bathrooms. Downstairs we have a half bath. So let's look inside. They have a built-out pantry. A lot of people like that feature. Wonderful countertops, quartz countertops. Spacious kitchen right here. All stainless steel appliances, of course. You have a half bath with a door that leads you to the yard, which is great for entertaining when you have friends outside. You don't want them coming in, so this is perfect. And it has a large yard. I'll show you. Also, it fenced the yard completely, which is they upgraded it. See, this is a huge yard, enough for a pool, a private pool here. And it's a great quiet community. Again, it's new construction.